Hello everyone. Today we will be learning a little bit about what Symbaloo is and how to use it. So as you can see here, I have a Symbaloo created for my first grade reading class. Symbaloo is a great way to save, share, and organize information, favorite website links, and video links very quickly and easily. It is an also easy way to bookmark information for education, like I did here for my class. So for younger students, it's a great way for them to access information and classwork. So let's learn a little bit about how to use it. As you can see here, we have all of these tiles. There are 16 different tiles here. So if we just click on one, this video will pop up. So this is just really easy for my students to access instead of having to individually open a new link for every single tile. Instead, it's all right here. So if we click another one, let's go down here to this worksheet. This is just easy to get to, and my students can go right on here and complete the worksheet. And same with this. We have a practice quiz for students. They can just go right onto this website by clicking that tile. What else? There are many different things you can do on this website. You can obviously create your own web mix. So if you want to create your own Symbaloo web mix, you just click the plus and all of that will pop up. You can create your own. You can also change your background image. As you can see here, mine is a jungle, which is effective for my first grade classroom because my theme is the jungle. You can do different categories. So as you can see here, they're kind of highlighted. So going straight down here on the left side, you can see it's kind of highlighted in a white clear color. These are all videos. So this shows my students that all of these are videos and they're all categorized. So all of these are videos on the left hand side. On the right hand side, they are kind of highlighted a blue and they are all worksheets. So that just shows my students that if I tell them to go onto Symbaloo and complete a worksheet, then they know where they can find those at. And then up top we have different dictionaries, textbooks, reading books to use. And then at the bottom, if I say go on your Symbaloo and complete the reading quiz, they can find that really easily down here at the bottom. You can also label them. As you can see, I've labeled them reading practice games, test length, practice study, worksheet, just all those that make it really easy. Symbaloo is a great way to organize various links, and it's very easy to access and create your own Symbaloo. Hope you learned a lot today. Thank you.